Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our program is how to make contract book management system in C++. First we have start. We have library files, mean header files. First file is IOStream. In IOStream we are allowed to print text to the console and get input from the user. Now second we have fstream. This library allows you to read and write data from two files. And in SSStream, this library provides functionality for converting string to other data types and vice versa. Next we have structure node. In structure node, first we have struct node. In struct node, this defines a blueprint for a node object which stores information about a single contact. In this we have string name. This stores the name of the contact as a text string. Second, long int phone number. This stores the phone number of the contact as a long integer. Next we have node static next. This pointer points to the next node in the list representing the next contact. Next we have node static previous. This pointer points to the previous node in the list, making it a doubly linked list. Now next we have the class, which named as contact book. The contact book class is defined encapsulating the contact book functionality. First we have the private data members. The private data members include head, a pointer to the next head of a linked list representing contacts; x, a string variable to store names during user input; y, a long integer variables to store phone number during users inputs. Next we have public member function. In public member function we have the default constructors initialize the head pointer to null and set x and y to default value. Next we have create node. In this create node method prompts the user for contact details, create a new node and adds to the linked list. Now in our create node, the method starts by checking whether the linked list is empty or not. In here, this will check is the linked list is empty or not. If the linked list is empty, a new node is creating using the new keyword here. The user is prompted to enter the name and phone number for the contact, and the value are assigned to the name and the phone number of the newer node. Pointer next and previous of the newer node are set to null. Here we are set them to null, assuming previous is intended to be set to null rather than equal. The head pointer is then to the new node, indicating that it is the only node in the linked list, and a message is displayed to indicate that the contact has been added. Here the output we get that is contact added. Now if the linked list is not empty, a new node is created similarly. The user is prompted for the contact details and the values are assigned to the name and phone number, members of the newer node. The next pointer of the newer node is set to null. A while loop here, a while loop is used to traverse the linked list until the last node is reached. The temp pointer is moved to the last node in the linked list. The next pointer of the last node is then set to the newer node, and the previous pointer of the newer node is set to point back to the last node, and a message is displayed to indicate that the contact has been added right here. Now next we have display function. The display function here, the method signatures indicate that it does not return any value as we use the void. Its primary purpose is to display all contacts in the linked list. Um, Here, node static temp is equal to head. A temporary pointer is initialized to point to the head of the linked list, and in count 0, a counter is initialized to 0, which will be used to count the number of contacts. Now checking for an empty linked list. If the linked list is empty, mean temp equal to null, a message is displayed indicating that there is no contacts. This message is indicate. If the linked list is not empty, a header is displayed to indicate that format of the contact details. Right here, now writes here, if the linked list is not empty, a header is displayed to indicate that the format of the contact details. Now a while loop, here a while loop is used to traverse the linked list until the end. Inside the loop, the details of each contact, name and phone number are displayed. The count variable is incremented for each contact. The temp pointer is moved to the next node in the linked list. Here, after the loop, the total number of contacts is displayed. Here we will get the total number of contacts. Now next we have search function. In search function, first the user is presented with the menu whether to search by name or by ID. This menu will be displayed, and next if the user chooses to search by name, the user is prompted to enter the name to search for. Here command 1 and a while loop is used. Here, right here, a while loop is used to traverse the linked list searching for a match in the name field. If a match is found, the details of the contact are displayed and the check variable is set to true. The loop is then exit. If no match is found, here, if no match is found, the message is displayed indicating that the name was not found. Now searching by number mean now command 2. If the user chosen to search by number, command equal to 2, the user is prompted to enter the phone number to search for. Similar to the search Here, similar to the search by name, a while loop is used to traverse in the linked list. Here we use the while loop to traverse the linked list searching for a match in the phone number field. If a match is found, mean the check is true, the loop is then exit. If no match is found, the displayed is number not found. Now next we have the delete all contacts. In this, a temporary pointer is initialized. Here a temp, this is a temporary pointer. The method checks if the linked is empty. Here the method in which we are saying that linked list is empty. If the linked list is empty, a message is displayed indicating that the contact book is already empty. Here we can get this message that already contact book is empty. Now deleting contact in a non-empty linked list. If the linked list is not empty, a while loop is used to traverse until end. Inside a loop, temporary memory temp2 is used to store the current node. The temp pointer is then moved to the next node and current node is deleting using the delete keyword. Here is the delete keyword which will delete the temporary mem pointer. This process continues until all nodes in the linked list are deleted. After deleting all nodes, the head pointer is set to null to indicate that the linked list is now empty. A message is displayed to confirm that all contacts have been successfully deleted. So by this we can easily delete all contacts. Next we have delete contact by search. In this, the user is prompted to choose between searching by name or phone number. Here, the user choice is stored in the variable command. Now, search by name. If the user chooses to search by name, the method prompts the user for the name to delete it. Then it waits through the linked list to find the contact with the specified name X. Here, if specified name X, if the contact is found, it sets dcheck equal to true. And delete confirmation, if a contact with the specified name is found, the method prompts the user to confirmation to delete the contact. Depending upon the user's input, it performs the deletion operation. Right here it performs the deletion operation. Now, by search for number, if the user chosen to search by phone number, the method prompts the user for the number to delete it. Then it waits through the linked list to find the contact with the specified phone number. If the contact is found, it sets dcheck equal to true. If dcheck delete is true, then its contact is found. It sets dcheck equal to 2. Now for delete confirmation, if a contact with the specified phone number is found, the method prompts the user if the contact with the specified phone number is found, the method prompts the user for confirmation to delete the contact. Depending upon the user's input, it performs the deletion operations. Based on the user input and the location of the phone contact, different cases for deletion are handled. If the user enters an invalid command, an error message is displayed. Like this, you enter wrong command, try again. If the user enters an invalid command, initially error message is displayed. If the error not given means our command is successful, then we get this output, contact deleted successfully. Now next we have edit contacts. In edit contacts, the user is prompted to choose between searching by name or phone number. The user choice is stored to the variable eCommand in this command. Now next, if the user chooses to search by name, if the user chooses to search by name, the method prompts the user for the name to edit it. Then it waits through the linked list to find contact with the specified name X. If the contact is found, it sets eCheck to true. Here, edit confirmation. If a contact with the specified name is found, the method prompts the user confirmation to edit the contact depending on the user's input. It proceeds with the editing operations. If the contact is not found, a message is displayed. Now next, edit confirmation user input. If the user chooses to search by phone number, the method prompts the user for the number to edit It then iterates through the linked list to find the contact with the specified phone number. If the contact is found, it sets eCheck to 0. Now next, if a contact with the specified phone number is found, the method prompts the user for confirmation to edit the contact depending on the user's input. It proceeds with the editing operations. If the contact is not found, a message is displayed. Right here, the message is displayed that you enter wrong command. Edit confirmation user input for command 1. If the user confirms editing, the method prompts the user for a new name X and phone number Y. It updates the contact details with the new name and phone number. Right here in this command, we will edit the phone number and name. If the user enter an invalid command initially, an error message is displayed. Now next we have void offline save. Certainly in this method signatures indicate that it does not return any value as we use the void. Its purpose is to save the contact to a file named contactbox.txt. In this file, it stores the whole information which are the inputs of our users. For file writing, a node pointer temp is initialized to the head of the linked list. An offsetting object is created to open the file contactbook.txt for writing. If the file is successfully opened, the method enters a loop to traverse the linked list. For each contact, the name and phone number are written to the file. Once all contacts are written to the file is closed, the structure method is then called to represent the main menu to the user. If the file cannot be opened, a message is displayed indicating that the file is empty. Now next we have reopen CB. Its purpose is to reopen the contactbook.txt file and load contact into the linked list. A node pointer temp is initialized to the head of the linked list. An ifstream object myfile is created to open the file contact.txt for reading. The condition my file is open and my file .peek is not equal to EOF checks whether the file is open and not empty. If the file is open and not empty, the method enters a loop to read data from the file and load contacts into the linked list. If the file cannot open or is empty, a message is displayed indicating that the file is empty and the method exists right here. Now we have structure. Its primary purpose is to display the main menu and prompts the user to choose an operation. Main menu display. This is our main menu display. This method starts by displaying a menu with various operations for the user to choose from. Each option corresponds to a specific operation in the contact book application. User input. Here, this is our user input. The user is prompted to enter a command by typing a corresponding number. Here we use switch. Right here we use the switch. The user input used in a switch statement to determine which operation is to execute. Depending on the selected command, the program calls the corresponding method. For example, create node, edit contact, delete contact by search, search, display, delete all contacts. After executing the chosen operation, the structure method is recursively called again to display the main menu. Now in last we have the main. An instance of the contact book class is created using the default constructor. Here the contact book class encapsulates the functionality for managing contact in the application. Now in reopen-cb, the reopen-cb method is called on the contact book instance. This method is responsible for reopening the contactbook.txt file and loading contacts into the linked list. Now next we have the user name input. The user is prompted to enter their name and their input is stored into the variable n. Here we have the welcome message. A welcome message is displayed including the user's name to greet the user. Now in last we have the structure method call. The structure method of the contact book instance is called to initiate the main menu and start the user interaction with the contact book application. Here we have the return statement. The main functionality typically ends with the return statement, where 0 indicates a successful execution of the program to the operating system. Now I will run my program. Here first I will enter my name. Now I have the welcome message. Here I will choose the command add contact. Here one, add the contact, enter name of contact. Now I will enter my name, my phone number, now my contact is added. I got the message that my contact is added. Now I will check my contact by search contact. Here is the 4. Here I will put the 4. Press 1 if you want to search by name, or press 2 if you want to search by number. Now here I will check by name. Now you entered wrong command, run the code again. Here it asks me that I will enter the wrong command, run the code again. Now clear, I will run the code again. Here name, welcome message, one add contact, my contact. Now enter the command 4 to check by search. Now here I will search by name, press 1. I entered this. Here now I get the search by name. I get my information. Now I will delete my information. I entered 3. Here press 1 if you want to search by name, press 2 if you want to search by number. Now I select that delete contact. Now it will delete by name or by number. Now I will enter by delete by number. Here is my number. I will delete it, Control C, and here I will paste it, Control V. You entered wrong command. Run the code again. Okay, I will enter the wrong. Enter the command 1 name phone number under and contact edit. 3 delete contact. 1 by name ANS. Press 1 to delete the contact. Press 1. Now I got the message that contact deleted successfully. Here we will choose any one options to enter, to delete, to edit, to search, to display all contacts, delete all contacts. Now I will delete my contacts, so I will display all contacts. I didn't get any contact as I delete all my contacts. Here total of my contact is 1 as ANS, my name Anas, and my phone number. Now I will delete all my contacts. Here I will enter the command 6. Successfully deleted all contacts. Now I will tell you all about my project. Now I will share my reports in description. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.